Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back to Sunshine Lifestyle. So this is all about you. So in today's video we are going to review this dupe of Huda Beauty palette, which is 3D highlighter palette, and it's a first copy, master copy of it, and it comes with this packaging. In this cover there is a palette placed. You can see. You can see this, and by its conditions you can easily get to know that how much I have used it, just to give you the review. And this is by the way my favorite color because it works for blush as well. And the colors, the name of the colors are mentioned. This is Fiji, this is Santorini, this is Ibiza, and this is Azores. I hope I am pronouncing it correctly. So these are the colors, and the best part is that all the 4 colors can be used on Asian skin tones. But if you don't, let's suppose if someone doesn't like this color, they can use this, they can use this. So it's all up to you, but these are the basic colors that one requires. And definitely the original Huda Beauty palettes are far more expensive than these palettes, but these can also serve the purpose. The purpose is to look good, give an enlightened effect to your makeup, the spark, the glow that highlighter usually gives. So I think this is the best thing you can do if you really want to have the Huda Beauty's palette in your vanity, but you can't afford it. You can definitely go to this because they are of good quality. So you can see how beautiful it is. Santorini. Oh my god, really pretty color. Fiji, amazing. And Azores. You can see how pretty these are, and you can use it. And the best thing is also that all the used ingredients are mentioned here, so you don't need to get worried that what are the harmful ingredients which have been used in this palette and that all. So it's all up to you, but for me you can see how beautiful and pigmented these colors are. You can see the glow which a 3D highlighter gives, and these are the same. So this is all about my today's video. I hope you have liked my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, and don't forget to like and give a big thumbs up. Inshallah, I'll see you in my next video. For this palette I give it 8 out of 10 because it's not bad. It fulfills the purpose. It looks good. Obviously it must be lacking the essentials that the original Huda Beauty palette has, but it's not inferior. That's why it's called the master copy or dupe of the Huda Beauty. So it's all up to you whether you want to go for an expensive one or this one, but I just gave my honest opinion. Inshallah, I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.